Alright, another end of tenancy. Heavy traffic lights. All the carpet in the entire house is blue. So I'm gonna try to use acid rinse at the end just to bring the color back. But first of all, as usually, hoovering. After that, just use some detergent to remove the stains. There are a couple of them, shouldn't be a big issue. Traffic lines everywhere, as you can see very well in this light. Very ditchy stairs, but quite a nice carpet, quite soft. I think it's about 8 years old. 5 rooms in total, so minor stains. There's some smell, but the cherry deodorizer is gonna do the trick. Always like to leave the really nice smell. That's the oldest, I think, carpet in the room. It's quite damaged. It's a bit peeling off. Looks like a pet stain, but I've been told there'll be no stains. There was no pets. We'll see how it goes. Very important thing about the corners. Always take care of them. Usually people would just hoover trying to maintain the carpet. They don't do that. So they're kind of black, building up dirt. Not sure why people still doing that. The worst idea ever to put the carpet in the bathroom. I don't know why. But it's just always issue to maintain it. Well, job for me then. Beyond that, quite big, a nice property, very nice neighborhood. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Take a look on those stairs. I love it. Also, the color of the living room. Wow, it is something, yeah.